Hey guys, so today's video is going to be about a fall pumpkin mini unit that we did. It spanned over 2 weeks and it's going to be science and art activities that we did to explore fall and pumpkins. Alright, let's see. So one of the first things we did was we went on a walk to see the difference of fall and summer. So what we did on our walk is I had the kids collect different items that you'll find in fall, such as pine cones, acorns, colored leaves, and then we spoke about different things we seen that signal fall. So we spoke about the trees turning colors and the change in weather and these things on our walk. I had every child have their own bag and collect items, and then after we collected all the items, we brought them home and we used them in our fall decor, which I will link that video when I post it down below. Then the next thing we started on was learning about pumpkins, and one of the first activities is a color, cut, and paste activity. The kids color the pictures, then they cut them out and paste them in the correct order for the pumpkin life cycle. This is an art activity where I had the children paint a paper plate orange, and then they had to cut out a stem, a leaf, and a face for a pumpkin, and they had to glue the face on the pumpkin and make their own pumpkin decor. This next activity is a pumpkin investigation. So first off, we went to the pumpkin patch on a field trip, and I had everybody pick a small pumpkin, and then we have these sheets printed out where the kids examine the outside of their pumpkin and write in the bubbles what they see, such as is it big, small, smooth, etc. And then they have the pumpkin investigation sheet where they investigate their pumpkin by measuring it, counting the lines, guessing if it floats or sinks, and then actually finding out if it floats or sinks, and counting how many lines it has. And then we cut them open and count how many seeds it has and investigate the inside of the pumpkin. And I had them describe what they saw and felt for the outside and inside. As I had said before, we went to the pumpkin patch, and not only did I have them pick out the small pumpkins, but I had them each pick out a pumpkin of their choice. As long as they could lift it, they could get it. And then we painted the pumpkins, and we used them in decor around the house. One of the last things that we did was we made a homemade pumpkin pie out of one of the pumpkins that I picked up from the pumpkin patch. Everybody had their own job to do, and then the next day we ate it during circle time. Okay, so that's all the activities that I have filmed for you guys. As I said before, we did do a field trip as part of this unit to the pumpkin patch, and when that video is done, I will link it below, and I will also link below the fall decor for the home. I'll link that below as well when that video is done. The printables that we used in this unit were actually free, and I got them online, and I will try to leave those linked below as well for you. Okay, thanks. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.